turning $100 into $1,000 through smart investment strategies. Yes, you heard it right. It's possible. Understanding risk and return. The key to successful investing is understanding risk and return. We'll discuss how to balance the two to maximize your gains while minimizing potential losses. Scene 3: diversification. Diversification is a game changer. Learn how spreading your investments across different assets can protect your portfolio and increase your chances of hitting that $1,000 mark. Scene 4: high potential investments. Discover high potential investments that are perfect for beginners with a limited budget. We'll explore stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other opportunities that could turn your $100 into a financial win. Scene 5: setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial. We'll guide you through creating a practical investment plan, breaking down the steps to reach that $1,000 milestone. Scene 6: long-term Vs, short-term strategies. Should you aim for quick gains or opt for a more patient approach? We'll explore the pros and cons of long-term and short-term investment strategies to help you decide what suits you best. Scene 7: research and education. Knowledge is power. We'll emphasize the importance of staying informed, conducting thorough research, continually educating yourself about the market trends and opportunities. Scene 8: the power of compounding. Unlock the secret weapon of investing: compounding. Break down how it works and why starting early can significantly amplify your returns over time. Turning $100 into $1,000, not just a dream, it's a goal within reach. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your investment goals.